students. So today I am going to start with a new chapter, kinds of sentences. So in this chapter we will learn that what are the main 5 types of sentences and why they are very important. So in previous video I have already taught you 2 types of sentences, that is interrogative and assertive sentences. So today I will explain you the last 2 sentences, exclamatory sentence and the imperative sentence. So what are they actually? So how many types of sentences are there? There are 4 main types of sentences. 4 main types of sentences. So what are they? First we have interrogative, sentence. Second we have assertive sentence. Third we have exclamatory sentence, and last we have imperative sentences. So these are the 4 main types of sentences, and as I have told you that 2 types of sentences I have already explained you in my previous video, that were interrogative sentence and assertive sentence. So today I will going to explain you these 2 sentences, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. So let's start with exclamatory sentence. Okay, first thing that will come to your mind, that what this word stands for, means what this sentence stands for. So in this sentence we come to know about, it express or we come to know about sudden feeling of joy, happiness, sadness and surprise, and the words that are used for it, like when you say what a wonderful day. So what is the main sentence? Wonderful. What a wonderful day. So what means we are getting a surprising, like it's a very nice day. So in this sentence what happens, this sentence express or we can say tell us, express sudden or strong, feeling of joy, sadness, happiness and surprise. So 4 main things that this sentence express. Feeling of happiness means, if you will come to know that when you are in the school and when you come to know from your teacher that tomorrow is a holiday, so what you say? Hooray! So hooray is what? Means here hooray word explains that you are very happy and joyful. If you feel like if somebody hurts you, so you feel like sadness, that why that person hurts me and hurt me, so there is a feeling of sadness. And if like you have a birthday and you got a gift from your father and that is unknown to you, so what you feel? You feel like surprise. Wow, I did not thought of this gift and I got this gift. So this sentence is having 4 things. Then second point of this sentence, you can remember that it ends with exclamation mark. So this is the exclamation mark. Means wherever you find this sign, means you will come to know that this sentence is, which kind of sentence it is? it is an exclamatory sentence, because that sentence will explain you any some kind of feeling, and the feeling can be of joy, sadness, happiness and surprise. The third thing that comes under this sentence is that this sentence often starts with how, what, so and such. So these four words like how, what, so and such, these words are like when you get the question of finding out that what kind of sentences it is. So you can put up these words to form a question and you will get the answer. So here I will give you one example of each word, like how cold it is. So this is an example, how cold it is. So here you can see an exclamation mark, and the sentence started with how, means here what is going on, that how cold it is, we are asking about the weather. Then second one is what, beautiful flower. So again here you can see an exclamation mark, means what a beautiful flower, means we are praising the beauty of the flower. Then we have third one is your so kind of you. So here also there is a exclamation mark, means we are telling somebody that the somebody is very kind. How that somebody is? That somebody is very kind. Now we are left with fourth one, that is your such. Such a lovely day it's been. Again here there is an exclamation mark, means such a lovely day, means here we are talking about that the day is very lovely. So again we are getting the feeling that the day is very lovely. So in all these four sentences you can see at the end we have an exclamation mark. As I told you before also that it ends with an exclamation mark, and wherever you find these exclamation mark, it means, and it should be come to your mind, that here we are talking about an exclamation mark. So after this I will explain you, and I will explain you imperative sentence, that what it is and how important that sentence. So now let's start with imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. So again, first you will come to know that what it stands for, means what is the meaning of imperative sentence. So here I will tell you the definition of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means it gives an instruction, advice, command, makes an offer, and request. So this sentence gives you and tells you four things. First, it gives you it gives an instruction, advice, command, and it also makes an offer and request. Means if you don't do any work, so you need the instruction of your teacher. Like if you are, suppose you are in the class and you are not paying the attention, means there who will give you the instruction? Your teacher. And what instruction you will get? That do your work on time. So this is the small example that I gave you. Then advice. When you feel like that you are not able to understand then what is good for you and what is bad for you. So there you need the advice of somebody. Means you need guidance from someone. Then command. Command means like if the teacher asks you that is stand up, means the teacher is giving you the command and you have to follow it. Then at last we have an offer and request. Offer means like somebody is offering you something, somebody is giving you something. If like have a piece of cake, means this sentence is having offer, means somebody is willing to give you an offer, and at the end we are having request. Means when you go out of the class, you ask your teacher and you request the teacher to give you the permission to come inside the class. So this is the request that is made by you. Now I will give you the example of all these 4-5 things. Example of instructions, advice, command, offer and request. So what are the examples? Like instruction. You should study hard to pass the exam. Right? Then second we have we can say like come in. So again, so this is an example. Come here and do your work neatly. So this is an example of instruction. Right? Then here another example of command. Finish your work within an hour. Means here you have given the command by your teacher that you have to finish the work within an hour. So this is the example of command. Now we are left with offer. Offer means like have. When we offer something to your elder, when you talk about offering means that offer we ask to the elder, the one who is elder than you, and give you use for the smaller, the younger one. So here once you will ask, when you feel like offering something, you have to ask, have piece of cake. Means you are offering the piece of cake to somebody. Then we are left with request. Request means like you have to request. Like, may I come in? Means here what you are doing? You are requesting your teacher that the teacher should give you the permission to come in. Now we are also left with like request. I can also give another example for this request, that will you open the window please. So here we use this word. This word tells us, please word tells us that we are requesting somebody to help us or to guide us and to give us the permission for doing something. So these are the examples that I have explained you here, and through these words I have explained you these examples, and as well as with the help of example I have explained you the definition of imperative sentence. Now second thing that comes under this sentence is that it ends with full stop and exclamation exclamation mark. So this was your imperative sentence. So I hope you have understood and you will be able to learn and able to solve your assignment after watching this video. And if you have any doubt, just give me comment that where you are facing the problem, so that I can again make this chapter easy for you. Thank you and have a nice day.